So I want to exchange the coupler, flexible coupler that's between the engine and the hydraulic pump, and for that I guess I have to take out the engine, and I would like to have it into my garage, but there is a slight problem with the height. It's not that many centimeters, but it's not enough to just remove some planks here. I can see that the cabin is only secured with 4 bolts, one in each corner, and I think I just have to try to take them out and see if it is easy to remove the cabin, because then I just can drive the excavator into the shop. And today the weather is good, but in a couple of days it might change again, so I will just try to remove these bolts, and we'll see how that goes. Difficult for me to film it while I'm doing it, but I will just cut through this cable there and connect them and mark them, so I know exactly which one belongs to the other one, and I think after that it's possible for me to lift off the cabin. Okay, now you can see the cables are all off, and I've marked them with numbers and some colors, so it should not be any problem to match them again later on. I will just now cover the ends where we have power on when the engine is on, and otherwise I took out the bolts so they all are loose, and then we'll just try to lift the cabin off.